Hi, I'm Aaron. I'm currently pursuing a welding certificate at Bishop State Community College. I chose to get into the welding program because traditional college wasn't for me. I like to work outside with my hands. I like to build things. So that's why I chose welding. I also have family in the welding business, and it's very lucrative for them. And I have a family now. My plan after graduation is to work either on the ship or in a fabrication shop as a structural welder, but eventually I would like to transition into pipe welding, maybe in a refinery shop. You can expect to learn in the classroom and in the lab, learning various courses on tool safety, tools, and different welding procedures. Welding in the lab, you'll actually be able to demonstrate the skills you learn in the classroom, all in preparation for a welding test so that you can work. While in the lab, you start on 8x8 mild steel plates where you run stringer beads. After mastering that task, you then go into T-plates where you start welding fillet welds. Once you master the fillet weld, you then go into the V-groove plates. My favorite part of the welding program is when we actually get to go out into the shop and weld, because you get to see the progression in your welds, and it helps build up confidence. The hardest part about the welding program to me is welding in the vertical and the overhead position, because they're extremely technical and there are many variables that can mess up your welding. For some of the other students, the biggest challenge is the classroom work, because we have many lectures, many chapters to read, and a lot of homework. My advice would be to invest your time wisely. While the main focus here is welding, you also learn many other skills, including oxyacetylene torch cutting, plasma cutting, and grinding. These are all skills that will make you a better welder and could save your job. While in the program, I'd also tell you to ask questions, whether it be in the classroom or in the lab, because it can be very helpful, and to stay focused on the task at hand, because the more you learn here, the better you'll be in the field. Given the nature of welding, an ideal candidate for the welding program would be very focused, who would enjoy working outside, and enjoy building things. If you're in high school and you're interested in the welding program, I would definitely check and see if your school offers welding classes. If not, I would look into a dual enrollment course at your local community college.